Greetings. I'm James Harewood Rowling Jr., the 37th president of the National Art Education Association. As you know, like many peer institutions, NAEA is an organization powered by service leadership. Our board members, commissioners, and other leaders volunteer their time and expertise to benefit our visual arts, design, and media arts community, as well as the field at large. If you're someone who cares deeply about our profession and wants to have a serious impact, then this message is definitely for you. NAEA is currently seeking nominations for our board of directors, positions varying from division director-elect to president-elect. I personally invite you to consider being nominated for one of these positions or nominating a dedicated, passionate, and qualified colleague who has an interest in national leadership and service. This happens to be my second term on the NAEA Board of Directors. I previously served as the Higher Education Division Director and now as President. This experience has given me an opportunity to make the impact on our association and field that I've always wanted to, while growing as a leader and connecting with colleagues both nationally and internationally. When I first came onto the board, I'd already had experience offering my service to struggling organizations. But this was the first time I had been elected into leadership on a thriving and exceedingly well-run organization. I learned quickly that one of the hallmarks of board service on strong organizations like NAEA involves actively preparing and mentoring the next generation of leaders who will replace me at the front of the swarm as it surges forward. NAEA division directors represent their respective division: elementary, middle level, secondary, higher education, museum education, pre-service, or supervision administration. For 4 years, 2 years as division director-elect and 2 years as division director. The president serves for a total of 6 years, 2 years each as president-elect, as president, and then as past president, each with different roles and different assignments. Terms of elects begin in April at the conclusion of the 2023 NAEA National Convention set to take place in San Antonio, Texas. The NAEA Board of Directors is made up of members and is elected by members. We seek a diverse range of perspectives, life experiences, and areas of expertise. We value fresh voices and are committed to the development of new and seasoned leaders. This is an opportunity to learn more about your national professional association, to help chart our course as an organization, engage in meetings and professional learning experiences across the country, and make lasting and meaningful connections with colleagues. We encourage members from every corner of the association to consider these leadership opportunities with fresh eyes and to take your next step towards real and measurable impact. The deadline to submit nomination materials is 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on Friday, July 1st of this year, 2022. You can find additional details and nomination information online at arteducators.org. Thank you for your time and consideration of this opportunity for national leadership service.